Hello readers, welcome to Learn Code Read. Today we are going to read last story of Durga series, that is about Gauri, Devi Durga's birth as a human being. If you have missed the previous videos of this series, please click on the link above. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin the story of Gauri. After goddess Durga slew Mahishasur, she took birth as a human being. Her father was called Dakshay and she came to be known as Gauri. She was also called Sati, right from childhood. She showed great devotion to Lord Shiva. When she grew up, she wanted to marry him. Dakshay did not approve of this. He said, I will never let you marry someone like Shiva, who is nothing but a dirty roaming ascetic. He lives with goblins and ghosts. Dakshay's disapproval could not stop Gauri from wooing Lord Shiva. She left the life of luxury at the palace of Dakshay and went to the forest. There she began to worship Shiva. She undertook a most austere life. Slowly she gave up her meals and deprived herself of all earthly pleasures. So engrossed was she in her prayers. This impressed Lord Shiva, and finally he appeared before Sati and said, I am very pleased with your dedication, and I accept you as my bride. Since Dakshay was totally against the marriage, he wanted to insult Shiva on the slightest pretext. He arranged a grand sacrifice and there he invited all the gods except Shiva. Gauri, now Shiva's wife, was very keen to visit her friends and relatives on this occasion and insisted on visiting her father. Shiva could easily see that the intention of Dakshay was to insult him, and in his absence, if Gauri visits her father, he would insult her too. He asked her not to go, but she wouldn't listen. As expected, Dakshay heaped all sort of insults on Gauri, and all his harsh words were related to Lord Shiva. Unable to bear her husband's insult, she set herself on fire and ended her life. The moment this news reached Shiva, he stormed into Dakshay's sacrificial ceremony and killed Dakshay immediately. Then he took up Gauri's charred body on his shoulders and began the most destructive dance the world had ever seen. This dance came to be known as Tandav. All the gods rushed to Vishnu. O Vishnu, please stop Shiva's Tandav, or he will destroy all creation around us. Vishnu shot his discus at Gauri's body and cut it into 51 pieces. All the pieces fell in different parts of the world. As the charred body of Gauri was now removed from Lord Shiva's sight, he came back to his senses. He calmed down and gave life back to all that he had killed in a rage. Gauri or Sati later took another birth. This time she came to be known as Parvati. She united with Shiva in her second birth, and they are believed to have a happy family on Mount Kailas. This is the end of the story and the Durga series. If you have enjoyed the series, please share, like and subscribe to my channel. All the stories of this series are from the book Durga, which is published by Om Kids. If you want to purchase the book, please check the link provided in the description box below. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.